Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji's Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to do the share analysis of Wonderla Holidays. The reason why we are doing the share analysis right now is because this was one of the COVID affected areas, COVID affected industries. And now after the COVID lockdowns, after the vaccination has almost completed, this sector started recovering. So which means there is a good opportunity to invest and make good returns. The business model is amusement parks and resorts. Has very good growth potential considering the necessity of entertainment and its ever-ending demand. Market cap is around 1279 crores, which is a small cap stock. But that doesn't mean that company is bad or anything. It is already there for more than 17 years in the industry. It is also the largest amusement park network in India with 3 locations. Where are they? In Cochin, Bengaluru and in Hyderabad. Current market price is at 234 rupees, which is at 60% discounted price from its all-time high at January 2018, and the price was around 415. The book value is 143, which is 61% of the share price. Face value of the share is around 10 rupees, which means a stock split is possible at some point in the future, probably within 5 years. The dividend yield is 0.78%, which means you will get 78 rupees returns per every 10,000 rupees invested. That means the dividend is nothing. So investing in the stock for dividend is not a logical decision, right? If you look at the bonus history, there is no bonus issued so far. So this company don't issue bonuses. 12-month return shows 50%. This is because of the recovery from COVID. 5-year returns is at minus 41, and maximum returns, which is 7 years after listing in stock market, it shows 49%. The returns profile doesn't look very good, but it is okay because it was only because of the lockdown, and now the lockdown is lifting, the industry is coming back to action. So which means the price is going to be high, the company is going to make profits. Earnings per share is minus 8.83, which is poor. If you look at ROE, it is minus 6.25, ROC minus 8.10, and ROA is minus 5. So everything is in the negative area, right? And it is all because of this COVID-19 impact. Otherwise this company should be doing very good. Now if we look at debt to equity, which is 0.00%, which means company don't have any debt. Debt to profit is 0.08, which is also very good. Promoter holding is around 69.77%, which means promoter has good confidence in this company. So domestic institutional investors hold 1.49% stake and foreign institutional investors hold 10.25% stake, which means they have decent amount, means the company is still attractive for investors. The stock PE at the moment is 16.9, but if you look at the PE before lockdown is 22.6, which means at the moment company is largely undervalued. So it is a good time to invest. Consistent and stable profit till 2020 March, that is before lockdown, and loss in last year, that is 2021. The company having a reserves of 753 crores, which was decreased from 802 crore in 2020 March. Which means company have sufficient bank balance so that they can carry out their operations for another 2 or 3 years. So the cash flow still remain positive even after the situations. If you look at the MD, it is Mr. Arun K. Chittilapalli, age approximate 40, having a master degree in industrial engineering, and it is a family run business. And he also has 17-year experience in Wonderla Holidays company. Chairman is Mr. M. Ramachandran, age approximate 70, 50-year experience in industry, and his qualification is chartered accountant. So company is managed by very experienced and qualified personnel. Now if you look at the founder of this company is Mr. Kochausev Chittilapalli, a renowned businessman from Kerala, Indian state of Kerala, and he started his business in the year 1970 with a capital of just 1 lakh. And now 3 companies, V-Guard, Vigaland Developers and Wonderla Amusement Parks and Resorts, together had a market cap of 12,000 crores. The person has evolved a companies from 1 lakh capital to 12,000 crores, which means you can understand the capacity of the individual, right? And that impact is going to be there in all the 3 companies. Hence, Wonderla Amusement Parks is a good company to invest. And we know that the company has presence in 3 locations, which is Cochin, Bangalore and Hyderabad. And also this company has no subsidiaries. And information is available in annual report PDF page 52. So you can see that information in page 52. Does the company have any subsidiaries? And it is showing no. Organization is headquartered in Bangalore. The remuneration paid to the directors, which is 8-member panel, is 83 lakhs in 2021. And in the previous year, where there was no impact in COVID-19, the company has paid a remuneration of 4.11 crore. Now the remuneration paid by the company is 6.32% of the profit, which means 6.32% of the profit is taken as director salary, and it is available in PDF page 32 of annual report this year. Below 8% is okay, which means it is not mismanaged, right? The company is founded in the year 2000. Its initial name was Vigaland, and later its name got changed to Wonderla. No major announcements recently. This year dividend is not yet announced, and due to the losses in this financial year, we don't expect any dividend this year. Going to the technical part, let's go to the charts and understand. You can see here it's a daily chart, and the 200 exponential moving average is clearly below the price line, which means price looks bullish, which means price can go up. If you look at the 48 and 13 exponential moving average, here you can see a negative bearish crossover, which means there is a possibility of bearish movement, but at this point of time you can see it has been completely neutralized. If you look at MACD is showing a negative value, but it is neutral. It's not showing any clear direction. If you look at stochastics is bullish, and it is in the weak zone, which means it can go up sharply. It's possible. RSI is also in the neutral zone 54, which means it can go up further. So overall, what I understand from the chart is this share can go up after a small consolidation. So there won't be any correction downside. The chances of correction is very rare, but this share is going to go up very soon. So the same thing is mentioned here as well. You can see 200 EMA is bullish, 13 and 48 EMA is looking neutral. Current price is somewhat okay for purchase, but considering the reopening of Wonderla on September 2021, that is this month, the price can go faster. MACD is negative and neutral, best indicator for horizontally traded stocks, expecting only consolidation and no downside correction. You have to note this point: no downside correction, only consolidation. Stochastics is bullish and currently in the weak zone, which means it can go up. RSI index is neutral, which means it can go up. Price is expected to go up after a small consolidation and not correction. You must follow buy on dip strategy, and the support can be found at 225, 215 and 205 levels. Any price around or below 230 will be a fair entry point. In my opinion, the opportunity is mainly for short and medium term, but considering the credibility of this company, long-term investment is also a good opportunity. Between 250 and 225 will be much better entry. Minimum and maximum long-term portfolio allocation is 2% and 3% respectively. Buy 12 to 8 quantity for a portfolio size of 1 lakh. Immediate target is 250 to 260. Medium term target is 300 and long term target is 500 plus. So in my opinion, it is better to buy this share and have a target of 400 or more than that. If you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching.